Thomas Mbogazi. I'm from Soshanguve in Pretoria. I attended artisan school at Protect Training Center. I did NQF Level 2 Electrical Engineering there, which includes 2 months theory training and 2 months practicals. And I did matric in 1998. Yes, the jobs I've done one project where we were building a training center for other kids to attend there. We started it from the scratch and we finished it. After that, I got my experience there, and then I got interact with people there, and I managed to find some odd jobs there, trying to do some housewives for people. That's currently I'm busy with at the moment. Okay, people of South Africa, as I'm a young artisan trying to find my path in people, I mean, Zamelu Zenzelu one, because I'm out jobs, trying to help others and trying to help myself on the way. I hope people can vote for me as I'm trying to be something in life that I can see myself being contributing in this whole community. Thanks.